Hey, what's up guys? Mao here for Unbox Everything, and today we've got a very special unboxing. This is the Nutcase Helmet. This is a helmet, protective helmet for biking, scooting, and skating. This is my current helmet, which I don't really like. I just got it for free, so I just used it, but I didn't really like the way that it looks. It looks very like cyclist, mountain bikey, but you know, it doesn't really match my scooter. So I searched online and I checked out different helmets, which I don't know, I didn't really like that much either. They looked good but didn't get that good reviews on how they felt, or the other ones had a lot of good features but they didn't look that nice, the kind of minimalist clean design that I would want. So I found the Nutcase brand, and yeah, it just looks really nice, and it's one of the most popular ones when you search it online. Nutcase always comes up. And so yeah, I just really wanted to check this out because I feel like this would be probably one of the best helmets that you could pick up for skating, scooting, biking. And yeah, we're gonna be unboxing this and taking a close look at it. I'll be doing an in-depth review to show you guys. Maybe you would want to pick this up for yourself. But before we get into the unboxing, I'd just like to take this time to say thank you to Nutcase for sending this over, for letting me unbox this and review this on my channel. I will be leaving the link to this product in the description, and also to their website so you can check them out as well. So thank you to Nutcase for making this video review possible. I really like the packaging. Heart my brain Nutcase. Very nice packaging, really clean. Yeah, and you got the helmet right up front. I got the gray version. Let's open it up right now. So here's the helmet. I really like it. Looks really clean, really minimalist. Got that nice Nutcase branding on the front. And at the back, I really love, it's got the I love my brains. That's why you gotta protect your brains. Inside it's got the foam here, and we've got some extra foam if you want to change the size of the foam. And then of course there's the visor, which we'll be checking out in a bit. But let me tell you a bit about the helmet before we strap it on, take a look at how it looks on my head and with the visor and all that. So the actual name of the helmet is Nutcase Helmet SML, and you can get this on the Shopee app at Nutcase PH. So the first thing you'll see is the buckle system. So it's called a Fidlock magnetic buckle, or also an anti-pinch buckle. So what you do is you're just gonna slide it out this way, and it locks in by magnet. So you don't need to pinch anything. It's really secure. No need to pinch, no need to unbuckle anything. It's really easy to get on and off, but it's still really secure. On the back, it's got the spin dial to adjust to the size of your head, so that's really nice. And then over here, it's got a really durable injection molded ABS shell with protective EPS foam crumple zone. So this means that it's really engineered to absorb impact and to best disperse the energy on impact. So you're gonna be really safe with this kind of foam in your helmet. It's got 11 air vents, so that's gonna be best for increased airflow while you're riding, so that your head stays cool and doesn't get too hot. And that's something I was really looking for in a helmet, was a helmet with enough air vents to keep my head cool while I'm riding without it looking like an alien helmet or something. It's got 360 degrees reflectivity, meaning that the paint that is coated on the helmet is all reflective, so you're gonna be super safe at night with cars passing by. You know, your whole helmet is gonna be reflecting all the light. So that's definitely great for extra safety on the road. Alright, so let's get into the extras that it comes with. In here, got some papers on how to use the buckle, how to fit your head right, use the spin dial. And then in here we've got some extra foam for so you can customize the fit on your head just to make it really perfect to your head size. And then of course in here we've got the visor that you can attach. You know, let's attach it because I'm sort of a fan of visors on helmets. Let's see how this attaches. Alright, so the visor's now attached. There we go. That looks really nice. Look at that. Alright, so that's how it looks with the visor. I believe I'm gonna keep the visor on. I like the way it looks. And yeah, so let's try it on. Let's see how it fits on the head right now. This is a size medium. So I actually have a small head, so you might want to get a large. But for me, with a small head, I got a medium. I also really like the cushion that they put on the chin strap. This is just gonna make it even more comfortable to wear, which was my complaint with other helmets. It felt really uncomfortable with the buckles on the chin, but this is gonna feel really comfortable. There we go. So really easy to clip it on. Again, it feels really comfortable to wear. Perfect fit on my head. Spin the dial just to get that tight fit. And yeah, so here's how it looks. There. Here it is. Here's a quick turnaround. Yeah, that was kind of awkward, but I really wanted you just to see how the helmet looks from all angles and how it really protects the head. And I really like the way it feels. It feels really lightweight, so it doesn't feel like there's, you know, I'm carrying a lot on my head. And yeah, it's a really comfortable fit. I'm really happy with this. This is gonna be my go-to helmet that I'm gonna be wearing every time I scoot now. So thank you again, Nutcase PH. And now my hair got really messy because I forgot to put wax in my hair before wearing the helmet. So that was my quick review on the Nutcase helmet. I love the fit, I love the look, I love the way it feels, I love everything about it. I would highly recommend you to check this out and pick up for yourself a Nutcase helmet if you're riding on a bike, a scooter, skateboards, whatever. This protective helmet is, well, I'd recommend it. I really love this helmet. So hey, I hope you found this review helpful. If you have, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly content just like this one. If you want to continue to see more of my series on the essential scooter accessories, you can click or tap the screen right over here. And if you want to see another unboxing you may enjoy, click or tap the screen right over here. And as always, I will see you back here next time as I continue to unbox everything. Shh.